Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to enable and disable Bluetooth on your iPhone. This is extremely useful when you're connecting to your Apple Watch or your AirPods. So go on your iPhone and go to your Settings app. Now find Bluetooth, which is on the third line, and tap on it. Toggle the switch to turn Bluetooth on. Once the Bluetooth is on, your iPhone will start to scan for any available devices to connect to. Toggle the switch again, which will switch off Bluetooth. Another way of turning on and off Bluetooth is by your control center. Go to your home screen. Now bring up the control center by swiping up if you have a home button. If you don't have a home button, then swipe down from the top right edge of the screen. Tap on the Bluetooth sign, which looks like a B symbol. If the icon is blue, it means Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on it again and it will turn white, which means it has been disabled. And there you go, that is how to switch on and off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Hope this has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.